Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
ma'am, we have
Good afternoon, ma'am.
What we have?
ma'am page number 78. Question 8, two question was left.
Okay. Still two questions are left on page number 78.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am. 4 and 5.
4 and 5 is on page number 77.
Ma'am, these two.
78. What is the question? Répondez aux questions. All right. So this is 7 and 8 question. Okay. Coming on to the 7th question, children.
Ma'am, we have done.
Decide and
Ma'am,
what
8.
is left, what is not left.
Ma'am, 8th question. Last two question was left.
Okay. 8th question. The last two questions are left. Page number
Yes,
78. Question number 8 and 4th part.
Yes, ma'am.
Number 8, 4th part. Okay. Aujourd'hui, nous sommes quel jour? What is the meaning of the question? Aujourd'hui, nous sommes quel jour? What does this question mean, Utkarsh and Jasmine? The question means what day it is. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So you can answer in the same manner as how the language in the question is used. Aujourd'hui, nous sommes. Now tell me what is the day? Nous sommes. What is Friday called?
Ma'am,
Vendredi. Ma'am, Vendredi.
Sunday. It's vendredi. Vendredi. Aujourd'hui, nous sommes vendredi. Write it down. Then the 5th question says, Demain, nous sommes quel jour? Now what is demain? Demain is tomorrow. Hier is yesterday. Aujourd'hui is today. What is hier? Hier means yesterday. Write it down if you don't know. Yesterday. Now they're asking demain. Demain is what? Demain is tomorrow. So tomorrow, nous sommes quel jour? Again, the same language. Demain, nous sommes. Nous sommes. And what is the day tomorrow? Samedi. Demain, nous sommes samedi.
Ma'am, Samedi.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you show the 5th answer?
Written?
Ma'am, 5th I have written.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What is today? Today is aujourd'hui. Tomorrow is demain. Demain. And yesterday is hier. Hier. If I want to say yesterday, it was Thursday. Hier, c'était. And what is Thursday? Yedi.
Jeudi.
Yedi. Very good.
Ma'am, written.
Done, everyone? Any confusion
Yes,
in
ma'am.
this chapter? Any doubts? Any question that is unanswered?
No, ma'am. No doubt.
Okay. So coming to the end of this chapter, let's begin the next chapter. Can I erase the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Leçon 8. What is 8? 8 is 8. Leçon 8. La famille. Anyone
The
wants
manual.
the PDF of the chapter?
What?
Anyone wants the PDF of this chapter?
No, ma'am.
All of you have the book?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Now, what are we talking about here? We are talking about the family
Family.
of Manu.
Manual.
What does the mean? The stands for, I have told you in the previous chapter also, it means of or from. So we can't say the family from Manuel. What is it? The family of Manuel. Okay, here in this chapter, when we talk about a family, what are we going to learn? Just write it down in your copies. We are going to learn about different relations in French. Like we have grandparents, parents, sister, brother, daughter, son, uncle, aunt. We learn all these words in English. Now let's do them in French. Who is the head of the family? The head of the family is les grands-parents. Les grands-parents, the grandparents. Then after, who are the grandparents? Who are the grandparents?
Ma'am, our parents' parents.
Le grand-père, le grand-père and le grand-mère. The grandfather and the grandmother, right? They are our grandparents.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then comes the turn of parents. Les parents. Now, who are our parents? Le père and la mère. Sorry, here I have written le. It should be la. Okay? La mère. Correct? Then going down, what are the children called? Can I erase it, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
First generation, second generation, and coming on to the third generation, it is called les petits enfants.
That's it.
Petits enfants. What is les petits enfants? It is the grandchildren. Right? The grandchildren. Now, what are the grandchildren? The grandson, that is le petit-fils, and
La petite fille.
petite fille. La petite fille, which means the grandson and the granddaughter. Now we have said the grandchildren. If we only want to say the children, what we are going to do? We are going to remove this word petite from all the places. So that becomes the children, the son, the daughter.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And also, what is the son and daughter to each other? They are brother and sister to
And
each
brother
other.
and sister.
Yes. What is the brother called? The brother is called Le Frère, and the sister is La S-O-E-R. La Sœur. Okay. Now write all this.
Okay, ma'am.
From here, the grandparent. Done?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, can you show parents? I'm done.
Jasmine, you have also done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now just open the chapter to page number 79. Let's just read it out. Now, what you will do in this chapter, you are going to translate this chapter and write the translation in your copies. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
First line goes, mon grand-père. Now, why do we write mon grand-père? It means my grandfather. Okay? It's mon grand-père. My grandfather s'appelle. S'appelle stands for calls himself. Calls himself Monsieur Charles Lavigne. My grandfather calls himself Monsieur, Mr. Charles Lavigne. Write it down in your copy.
Ma'am, can you repeat me?
My grandfather calls himself and write the name. Mr. Charles Lavigne. Okay, do one thing, children. This way it will be like just spoon feeding. Let me just explain you the whole chapter, then I'll give you time to write. And then if you don't get anything, you can ask that particular word. Okay? Then the next line, il a 77 ans. He is 77 years. Il parle 4 langues. He speaks 4 languages. 4 means 4 and langue means languages. Il est adorable. He is adorable. Ma grand-mère s'appelle Madame Françoise Lavigne. My grandmother calls herself Mrs. Françoise Lavigne. Elle a 70 ans. She is 70 years old. Elle aime la musique. M means to like. She likes the music. Elle est sympathique. She is kind. Okay? Clear till here, everything?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now write all these lines. From here, from starting till here, write down this much. Then I'll move ahead.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I cannot understood last line.
The last line is Elle est sympathique, which means she is kind. Sympathique stands for kind.
Ma'am, written.
What?
Ma'am, I have written.
Okay, Utkarsh, what about you, beta? Written? Utkarsh Sharma? No reply. Okay, Jasmine, let's move ahead with the next thing. Mon père s'appelle Monsieur Patrick Lavigne. My father calls himself Mr. Patrick Lavigne. Il a 45 ans. He is 45 years old. Il aime le football. He likes football. Il est très intelligent. He is very intelligent. Ma mère s'appelle Madame Véronique Lavigne. My mother calls herself Mrs. Véronique Lavigne. Elle a 40 ans. She is 40 years. Elle aime le théâtre. She likes the theater. Elle est jolie. She is pretty. Write down till here now.
Ma'am, written.
Okay. Then coming on to the next. Mon frère s'appelle Denis Lavigne. My brother calls himself Denis Lavigne. Il a 16 ans. He's 16 years. Il aime le rugby. He likes rugby. Il est beau. Beau means handsome. Ma sœur s'appelle Catherine Lavigne. My sister calls herself Catherine Lavigne. Elle a 18 ans. She is 18 years. Sorry, not this thing. She is 8 years. 8 ans. Elle a 8 ans. Elle aime le glace. She likes ice cream. Elle est petite. She is small. Et c'est moi. Now what is this line? And this is me. A stands for and. C'est moi means this is me. Avec mes grands-parents. With my grandparents. And this is me with my grandparents. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Write it.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, after he is handsome, what is written?
Read the line.
Ma'am, E as menu.
Il est beau. Beau stands for handsome. He is handsome. Il est beau.
Oh,
This line you're asking, no?
yes, ma'am.
Which means he is, what is he? Beau is called handsome.
Ma'am, I cannot understood last line.
The last line is et c'est moi and it is me avec mes grands-parents, with my grandparents.
Ma'am, waiting.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now see, one thing very important in this chapter, every time we have used this word, my manual is describing, narrating giving everyone's description with my grandfather, my grandmother, my grandparents. Every time this has been a new word. Somewhere my has been shown by mo, somewhere by ma, and somewhere by me. What is the difference? In the first line, mon grand-père. Then when he started describing the grandmother, ma grand-mère. Then when he spoke in the last line, and this is me with my grandparents, he used mes grands-parents. What is the difference between three of them? Now see, looking at it, the difference is that mon is used before masculine nouns. Like mon grand-père, mon frère, mon père. Ma comes before all feminine nouns. Ma mère, ma grand-mère, and ma sœur. And me comes before all things that are plural, all the nouns which are plural, whether masculine or feminine. It does not bring any difference with the gender. If it is in plural, we have to use MES. Is that clear? This is the difference between mo, ma, and me. Okay, Jasmine,
Okay.
you got that?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what is the next part of this chapter? Now see, coming on to the next thing, that is dit, re, ou, faux. Tell true or false. Now what is true or false here? The first sentence, just explain me, what does the first sentence say? Read it out, Jasmine.
Les, pa- les parodies.
Le père de Patrick. Read out. Le père de Patrick.
Le Patrick.
Le père de Patrick a 67 ans. Now, what does it mean? Le père, the father of Patrick is 67 ans. 67 is what? It is
67.
67. It is 67. So, is it 67? Is it true? Le père.
No, ma'am.
No, it is false. So, the first sentence becomes faux. Then, the second one. Le fils de Charles aime le football. Le fils de Charles. What is the fils? The son. The son of Charles. Who is Charles in the chapter? Charles is the grandmother, isn't it? Charles is the grandmother.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, the grandfather.
Grandfather.
Le fils means the son. The son of Charles aime le football. Does he like football?
No, ma'am.
Huh? What, Utkarsh? Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
No. It's not written he likes football, but I can read. Who is the son of Charles? The father.
Yes.
He is the father. Patrick.
Ma'am. Ma'am, true.
True, it is true. He likes football, beta. See, if I translate this sentence in English, the son of Charles likes football. Yes, he likes. Who is the
Okay,
son
ma'am.
of Charles? It is Patrick.
Patrick.
La grand-mère de Denis aime le théâtre. Now, Dennis' grandmother likes the theater, or it is Dennis's mother who likes the theater. Who likes the theater in the chapter? Who likes the theater? Read it out. The mother or the grandmother?
Ma'am, mother.
The mother. So grand-mère stands for grandmother. So the sentence becomes four.
Four.
Because grandmother does not like this. Grandmother likes the music. Who likes theater? Mother likes theater. Elle a 70 ans. Now Elle has been used for whom? She is 67 years old. Sorry, 70 years old. The grandmother, they're again talking about the grandmother because in the previous sentence, they have spoken about them. So, she is 70 years. Is that true or false?
Ma'am, false.
False.
Grandmother is not 70 years old.
Ma'am, 77 years old.
Beta, grandfather
No.
is 77. What is the age of grandmother? Read in the first paragraph.
Okay, ma'am.
She is 70 years old.
Yes, ma'am.
Le frère de Catherine s'appelle Denis. The brother de Catherine. Le frère de Catherine. The brother of Catherine calls himself Dennis. Is it correct? His name is Dennis?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. He's the brother. Now, who are the three children in the chapter? The three children in the chapter are Catherine, Dennis, and who is describing this photograph?
Manuel.
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 Three children in the chapter. Who is the father in the chapter? Patrick is the father. Yes? He is how
Yes,
many
ma'am.
years old? He is, I think, 45 years old.
Ma'am, Patrick, ma'am, 45.
45. Then who is the mother? Mother is Veronique.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the age of Veronique? 40 years old.
40.
Ma'am, 40.
Who is the grandfather? Charles Lavigne,
Yes, ma'am.
77 years old. And who
Ma'am,
is,
77.
yes,
7.
77. And who is the grandmother?
Ma'am,
Françoise.
70.
Françoise Lavigne. She is how much years old? How many years old?
70.
Years old. So this is the whole family of Catherine, Dennis, and Manuel. Three of them are what? They are siblings. They are brother sisters. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now do one thing. Again, read out all these true and false on your own. Then we'll move forward to the next part.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I have read it.
Done?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Now, coming on to the next page. See, these two questions, just write down the first question in the copy. Take out your copy, write down the heading where you have made this family tree, no, that I made you write.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now there just write down question number 1 and write down this question.
Ma'am, written question number 1.
Written? What is the question?
Yes,
Comment s'appelle le père de Manuel? Comment s'appelle means how the father calls himself. Whose father? How the father of Manuel calls himself. So what is the name of Manuel's father? Tell Jasmine. Yes. What is the name of Manuel's father?
ma'am.